Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the inspection of buildings. Now you notice how the buildings are getting taller and taller, and almost every road in Jamaica has some sort of building going up. And these buildings have to be inspected by the fire department in terms of fire safety, in terms of the building to ensure that they conform to the permits that is NEPA and KSAMC, Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. But now these high-rise buildings have to have certain fire, they have to be, basically there's a fire code. And it has to be, the building has to be built according to the code. Certain things have to be in place. I remember NHT built roof vent towers. NHT built roof vent towers in New Kingston. And when they were ready to, I guess, hand over the units to the owners, they couldn't, because the building, there was a problem with the building when the fire department inspected it. And they had to fix the problem. I think it was something to do with a door or something. It wasn't a structural issue. It was something to do with a door, I think, or some minor thing that was fixed, and then the units were handed over to the customers. So it seems if the fire department is doing their job and enforcing the codes. Now, we say that because you hear about other entities in the news and things being passed when things change and all sorts of mix-ups. So it's good to know that the fire department is on top of things. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the fire department inspecting buildings. And there are so many more buildings going up, and they're getting so much taller. Okay. A total of 9,222 specified buildings were inspected across the island in 2023 to ensure conformity with the fire prevention regulations. This was disclosed by Commissioner of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Stuart Beckford, at the agency's head office in Kingston. He noted that the number of buildings inspected represented 1,427, or 18.3% more than in 2022. The top three categories of buildings inspected were educational institutions, industrial and commercial complexes, and places of amusement. Educational institutions accounted for 2,678 of the buildings inspected, a sum that included 1,812 early childhood institutions and 866 other schools. Additionally, 1,866 buildings were certified last year, which is 155 less than in 2022. The Commissioner pointed out that there are various factors that contribute to a building not gaining certification. In most instances, some of the factors that we have noted, having done an inspection on a building, would be absence of basic fire safety equipment such as extinguishers, smoke alarms, sprinkler systems, and pull stations, he said. The Commissioner further encouraged citizens to reach out to the Jamaica Fire Brigade for guidance to ensure that all the requirements are in place to have their building certified. Another critical criteria for the Jamaica Fire Brigade is its role in the approval of building plans. We received 882 building plans in 2023. We approved 602 of those and rejected 280, said Commissioner Beckford. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. No, seems like the Jamaica Fire Brigade is doing an excellent job. So we will keep you guys updated. Now, somebody asked a question the other day, and I've been trying to find out, but I haven't. So I'm going to ask you guys. These high-rise buildings, does the Jamaica Fire Brigade have the capability to reach these high-rise buildings? I know the buildings are to be built with, or basically I shouldn't say it like that. If there's a fire, does Jamaica have the engines that can reach to the height of these buildings? I don't know. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.